Hi guys, we received this SoundPEATS Clear earbuds for reviewing purposes. The first thing we see when we open the box is these clear earbuds. They are really nice. I'm gonna take them out of this plastic. As you can see, they are quite nice. The package is all clear. It uses a USB Type-C, and in here we've got a button. Let's take a look. Okay, they have a protector for the charging ports. I'm gonna take it off. We also got the what I believe are the instructions. Let's open it and we see you can download the app and use the adaptive equalizer, a custom equalizer. It has 8% sound effects, the volume control, and the mode switch, which is nice. In here we can see the diagram of the buttons of how to use it. I'm gonna take this cap off, and we find in here a compartment with the Type-C cable, so we can charge the earbuds. Is USB A to Type-C. And in here we got extra replacement for the earbuds. Okay, at first glance they are really nice constructed, so let's see. They fit really nice. Now I had it connected. I'm gonna test them with some music. I'm gonna play some Pink Floyd. It sounds really nice. It has a dual mic for noise cancellation. It uses up to 40 hours of playtime, which is really nice. So they're really nice. It's really easy to connect them. You just open your Bluetooth application. That's all basically that you need to do. They have a great sound quality, which is really nice, and the design is really fantastic. As you can see, it's really clear. It has a texture in there that makes it look really amazing, and you can see all the electronics in the earbud. When you are listening to music, it's fun. Or some people, well, I personally kind of like to have this kind of devices. They're nice. They remind me of old consoles from the 90s, you know, the clear Game Boy, that kind of stuff. So they're really nice, and I will really recommend it. See ya.